Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create another robot in Blender. Very easy and very simple robot in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final render. So this is our final render. Let me save this render. JPG save. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.